Hey crafting friends. I'm not sure why, but I'm feeling very crafty for this Christmas. So I'm going to show you all my little craft things that I've got. Some that are just left over from last year, and we'll see how far we get in actually crafting them and getting them done for the season. It's because, forgive my voice, I've been sick, but I'll try to get through it. So this is the main one. This is a Christmas Book Nook kit. Book Nook kit, which I'm very excited about. I've done, this will be the third Book Nook that I've done. So let's see. So we'll do this one, you know, step by step. I think the other ones, I'll just do one video per, but okay. That is super cute. Oh, it comes with a nice toolkit. I don't think I've ever had one that came with a slicer like that. I've gotten a ruler like this before and an awl, but these are nice new tweezers, which are good, and a scissor. I've gotten that before. So here's all the parts. We'll just leave that together until we actually start working on it. So this is all like the paper stuff. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I'm excited. How are the instructions? Oh, we've got clear paper thingies. Parts. So not really in English, they're kind of just pictures. There's not really any language to them. But it doesn't seem like it's terribly complicated. This is a rather than a regular miniature kit, this is one of those woodcut kits. So it's a little less detailed, but you know, for Christmas, I think it's still going to be really cute. So yay, excited to do that. Let's put all that back in there for now. And then this I got at Michael's. It's going to just be a little house, and we'll just paint it, and it's got a little light inside. I haven't gotten any batteries yet. I got to figure that out, but we'll get there. So I'll just be painting that. And then these are diamond art ornaments that I found. And they were $8 per kit, and there's actually 6. It makes 6, which I didn't realize when I bought them. I thought like I was just buying it for one. But it makes 6 ornaments each. So I'll probably like keep one set for myself and do the others as gifts. I thought these were really, really cute. And I think they'll go really quickly. Like I'll probably be able to do one in, you know, in 15, 20 minutes. They'll go pretty quick. And I really like the candy cane one. I think that's super cute. And then I got some. Those are kind of ridiculous. This is the Lego Advent Calendar from Aldi. It was $30, and so it comes, each one has its own little Lego, each day has its own little Lego thing, and then you put it together in the kit. The kit, I think you make yeah, it's got somehow this comes apart. And oh yes, it's taped here, so I'll leave that until I get it. But you can make a little book, a little setting for all of your little things. So I'm very excited about that. So I'm gonna have something to do every day on that in December, but I don't dare start it. I don't dare start it until December 1st or I'll be disappointed. Like I know myself, if I start it too early, it won't be good. And then this one is the puzzle advent calendar. This was nice. This was only $10. So this is one for every other day. And I haven't opened these yet to see what they are, but they're puzzles. And then it shows you all the puzzles are. I think this one's the cutest. But yeah, I'm excited to get that. So every other day I'll have in December. I'll do a link. Maybe I'll do shorts for these and for the Legos. So that'd be really fun. Yay, I'm excited. Yeah, this was only $10, but this one, the Lego one, was like 30. So I was kind of surprised at the price on that, but it'll still be fun. And then these are from Michaels, but I got these last year, so you probably won't find, I mean, you'll probably find kits similar to these, but you won't find the exact same ones. And I got them after Christmas, because these are 10 and these are 15, these bigger ones. But I think I only paid like a buck or two. But these are just like layering trees paper layering kit and gingerbread house paper layering kit. So I haven't really gotten those out to see how they work, if they just become little things that you can frame. But these are 3D, so this one has like a little forest scene that you can put a light in. So how cute is that? It's all sparkly. And then these are little houses, which I think will be very adorable. And somehow, for some reason, they have these little, I don't know what you do with these. You hang them up after they're all gone, or after they're all put together. But what I'm liking here is that I'm seeing like these have little like strip off sticky parts. So I don't know that you even need any glue with any of these. Do these have sticky parts? Oh, these have little slots that you put things in. So yeah, I don't know if these hang after. We'll have to see. And then this one is a garland, and I'll use that. I'll do that on my kitchen island. So I think these together will be really cute on my kitchen island. So I'll show you what I did for. I'll insert here a picture of what I had of the little pumpkins that I made, and then there was a little Halloween Lego set at Aldi as well for Halloween. It's a little cat and a little mouse, and they're just the most adorable thing you've ever seen. So yay, lots of fun Christmas crafts coming up, but I will definitely be working on this the most, and that'll be a traditional step-by-step video, and then maybe all the other stuff will be just a one-off, so you can see how things look inside. So yay, Christmas crafting makes me happy.